y'all, I am back with another video for you, and today I'm doing the February 2018 Sephora Play unboxing, and by the time this is up, it's already March. I know it's late, but I'm getting it up for y'all. If you guys are just wanting to know what is in the February Sephora Play box, just keep on watching. I always forget that I need to open this. So, I have a screwdriver somewhere. Screwdriver! Ugh. Alrighty, so the bag just says feel the love because February is like the love month. Alright, so you get your 50 points. I need to go, so maybe Thursday I'll go. Well, I've already gone. That just pretty much shows you what is in the box and what it does. So opening up. So we have this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Balm. Cleansing balm, and it looks like this. It smells like mint, and it's just like green. So I'll use that tonight maybe and see how it works. Next, I got this Laura Mercier highlighter. I have another one of this. I never really use liquid highlights. I think I got this before in the Sephora Play. I'm not sure. I don't know if I just got it as a free sample or it's not really shimmery. So there's that. Next we have this Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick. I literally just opened it and it fell out. Well, good thing it's a free sample. So it's broken. It's just like a dark red. What's the color? It's a pretty color, but it's broken. I lost the cap. I'll find the cap in a sec. Alright, next is this Fresh Sugar Rose Lip Treatment. It's a tinted lip treatment. So I think it's like a... Oh, I can't open it. So it's like a chapstick, I believe. Yeah, this is definitely a chapstick. It's just a chapstick that's tinted. I use these a lot. And it has SPF 15 in it. Next is this Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love eye balms. Like I said, I wanted to do more. So it's just like this. It smells like some spa that I go to. Next is the perfume. And I think the perfume is a bonus. It's really refreshing. I really like that. It's like a girly cologne. That's what I would describe it as. But yeah, that was everything in this Sephora Play box. I'm definitely going to use the balm tonight, the green clean thing, and then this Belief. I'll use the Fresh Tinted Moisturizer just because I always put chapstick on before I put lipstick on because I'm always using liquid lips. But yeah, the liquid highlighter I'm probably not going to use as much, or this Sephora Play thing, or the Sephora lipstick. If I'm ever feeling bold, I'll use it. That is everything I got in my Sephora Play box of February. Yeah, of February. I thought I was saying the wrong month, but yeah. My December one keeps growing, and that's kind of weird. Like, I see these get only like 30 views. I don't know. Hey, whatever happens. But yeah, that is everything I have for you today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. That does not mean I will actually upload on Saturdays. It will just depend on my life in general. But if you guys want to see me upload, just hit the bell to be notified, and you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?